Hello guys, this is Vlad from Vaxley Real Estate Services, and today we have a second part of the video. If you remember, 1 month ago we published a first part where we discovered the apartment before the renovation. Today all the jobs are completed and we have a chance to observe what changed. Honestly, I feel that we gave a second life to this apartment. Just remind you, this is 3-bedroom apartment in the old building in the city center of Calpe. It's our investor bought to do the renovation, and now our property management department take this property for the renting purpose. Okay, let's check it out, what changed. What we did, we changed the door, but as you can see, that is a new door, but with the same style like all doors on other apartments on the same floor. But another side of the door we made in the white color to make like its connection with the white walls. The left hand side we have bathroom. We changed for a new shower cabin, then we changed like toilets and all other appliances, tile on the floor, tile on the walls, new ceiling, new lights, everything is new. So that is the totally renovated apartment. We changed here a lot, and that's why we can see all of this new vibe. Before that, it was like a wall here that divided the kitchen area from the living area. Here it was like a window with the connection to the living room. Took out the wall, yeah, so now we don't have this connection, we don't have a corridor. Here we have our kitchen. At the kitchen we changed everything. This is new, fully new and fully equipped kitchen with all the new appliances. You can see this is like everything, dishwasher, oven, like everything is changed. Also this kitchen it's designed by IKEA, and as you know, this is a very good quality with the right price, very affordable price, and we know how to adapt in the right way IKEA kitchens. Here we just put the same tile that we have on the wall, we put it here. This is very practical. Why? Because when you're preparing some food you have a lot of fat, so here it's easy to maintain this wall. We go to our living area. You can see a lot of different decoration elements that complement this apartment. The style of this apartment is like something between Belle style and modern, yeah, all together. And as you can see, we like to give a second life to the apartment, and to give that, we want to do that with the respect soul of the apartment. That's why some of the elements they are like that. I think that when you have everything is modern in Spain, that's not what people want to have in Spain. So we have a masterpiece on our wall which takes some kind of the attention in that part. I find it super beautiful. Here our TV area. In our TV area we have a beautiful curtains with a lot of different space. Also we have a beautiful carpets. Let's check our first bedroom. What we changed. The whole our apartment it was like a popcorn style, all the walls. Now you can see all the walls are flat, so we decorated this room with new masterpieces. Also we put it like 2 split beds. You have like more capacity to accommodate more people in that room. Also I think we didn't want to change the wardrobes doors, but then the inside conditions of the wardrobes was super bad. That's why we decided to change everything, like inside wardrobe and also the doors. As I mentioned before, in this apartment we changed all the doors. As you can see, all the doors are new with the locks as well, and the frames are new as well. All the light switchers are new as well. Whole the tile of the apartment was changed, and we installed the air conditioning system. So now we have like 3 bedrooms. In each bedroom we have an independent air conditioning system, and also another block we have in living room. Second bedroom is here. The same situation, we changed the wardrobes inside, and we put the sliding doors. So we put it like some decorations here. You will find some painting on the wall. Also we will find the mirror here, and that's the table, which is like with the same style that we have in living room. And also you have a master bed, which is super convenient for 2 persons. Our guest bathroom with the new spacious shower. So all appliances, everything is new. We installed some storage space here, and look at the details. This is our third bedroom. Now you will not find any furniture here, yeah? But because we don't know the clients who will rent that property, maybe they will use that space for the service purpose, yeah? If they will use it for the office purpose, then we will install all the furniture, or all the office furniture. If they will use it like a bedroom, then we will install like a bed. Last element of our apartment is our terrace. So take a look to appreciate our terrace. It's not big, but quite spacious. So what we did here, we painted the client's inside facades with the color that we allowed to paint. So this is the color of the building. Also we bought like some outside furniture, and also we installed that masterpiece. So it's like a big mirror, yeah, that gives us the vibe, some kind of the Mediterranean vibe. I want to say thanks to constructor team for this nice job. Well done, guys. I would say that this apartment is like a super nice example. We showed you the way of the investor, yeah? So we found this property. We nicely decreased the price of purchase of this property. Then we did renovation of this property. Then we did a decoration of this property, because you design the renovation. It's not only about the changing like some main stuff. It's about the design elements as well. So everything of that we have inside our company. So the investor now even 3 options: rent it out in a short term, then he can rent it out in a long term, and another option is to sell it with the profit. Now we'll propose these options to our investor, and let's see what happens. So thank you for joining us today. Subscribe please to our YouTube channel to help us to rank our video. If you want to watch more videos like that, click the link below the video, and you will be updated about our new videos. Thanks for your attention. Nos vemos.